Hi everyone, here we've got HUAWEI MatePad T10s, and let me show you how to enable night mode or eye comfort mode. So first of all, we will begin with some customization, and then I will show you much faster access to this feature. So let's open the settings. Here we have to tap on the display and brightness, and as you can see here we've got the eye comfort mode, so let's tap on it. And here we've got some options to customize. First of all, let me turn it on, so let's tap on the switcher next to the enable all day, and as you can see the screen turns yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, you can change the intensity of that feature. It's really up to you how you want to set it, just by swiping. So after swiping to the left you will make it much cooler, and to the right much warmer. So as I said, it's up to you how you want to leave it. What's more, at the very first position we've got the schedule option, so let me turn it on, and as you can see now we've got the start time and end time active, so we can freely tap on it and choose the end time. Let me pick for example this one, tap on OK, and the start time, for example this one, let's tap on OK, and as you can see it is immediately applied, and now we've got the eye comfort on because the time we are currently have is right between the start time and end time. So actually this is how to customize the eye comfort mode. So now let me show you much faster access to this feature, because I promised you that. So in order to do that, simply unroll the top bar, and as you can see here we've got the eye comfort icon. Now it is obviously on. In order to turn it off, just tap on it. Now it is not highlighted, and as you can see the screen turns back to its normal state. If you cannot see the eye comfort icon right here, no worries, just tap on this pencil icon and find it somewhere here, then tap on it, hold it and drag it to the very first section. Okay, so actually that's all. This is how to enable eye comfort mode in your HUAWEI MatePad T10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.